Hello and welcome to Session Planner 4.0. We are so excited to share the new version of our software with you. Session Planner 4.0 is operating as an online version of our software that will be available through a premium membership at SoccerSpecific.com. So we hope you'll check us out there and let us know what you think. If you were a user of Session Planner 2.0 or 3.0, some of this will look very familiar to you, and then some things will be new. So I encourage you to watch this video and our other demo videos to see the new features we've added so you can take advantage of everything we've created here for all of you. Very simply, right now I'm just going to show you how to create a drill. This is your home page. This is where you will create all of your drills. So first off, up here in the left-hand corner, you can name your drill. Whatever that is for the day, just put that right up there. And then you can select your field view. You'll see we have 9 field views here. We've added 2 new ones since Session Planner 3.0 and have made many changes since Session Planner 2.0, so some of this may look new to you and hopefully exciting. We've added a couple new field views that should be very helpful. For today I'm going to use this one. Then we move on to box number 2, where you can add any of your players, goals, equipment, and text you need for your drill. We have players in 5 different team colors here. You can either drag them onto the field with your mouse, or now you can click and then just click onto the field, and you can add many of the same players very quickly, which is a new feature I think will save people a lot of time. We'll add a yellow team over here. And then goals options. We've added some options for you here. We have smaller goals here at all different angles, as well as some larger goals. I'm going to put one here at half field just to show you. And then for our equipment, we have different flags, ladders, a bag of balls, whatever you think you may need. You can just drag that right out onto the field. Some mannequins down here. And then in the text box, you have individual numbers and letters you can add, or our new feature, which is a text box where you can edit text and put it right on the field. Any on-field instructions you may want to add can go right in there. Once you have everything on the field that you need as far as equipment and players goes, then you can move over into box number 3, where this top tool, select and drag, will be one you'll probably use a lot. You'll use this to move anything on the field that you've already placed. You may want to just change where it is, or you may want to get rid of it altogether. Just click the X. You can either click the X or you can drag it right off the field and it'll go away. Right below that are several different pen tools we have. The pen is something you can use to just draw freehand on the field in any color you'd like. You'll see we have white, green, red, and black down there. And then maybe you don't like what you drew, so you can just select and drag, click it, either click the X or just drag it right off the field. And then you have player paths, different paths you can draw. So we have a player path, which is just a straight line, a curved player path, which will let you show where these different players are going to go, and then a ball path, which is a dotted line, and a dribble line, which is a smaller dotted line. You can highlight players with our highlight tool. You can draw a rectangle. You can draw a triangle, which is a shaded triangle, a circle, or one of my favorites is a shape, where you can draw a shaded area and then manipulate it on all corners and just get exactly what you need here, which can be helpful. Okay, you can change your line thickness here, thin or a little wider if that's helpful to you, and then you also have different options for arrows. So we'll go ahead and click the regular player path, and you'll see this arrow on the left will start the arrow wherever you first place your cursor, and the arrow on the right will put the arrow wherever you end up. So whichever direction you want your arrow to go, you have different options down here. And then once you're done placing all of your objects and any other line instructions and shapes on the field, you can come down here to box number 4 and type up what you want to say about your drill. So any instructions for setup, there's going to be 11 players. This is a half field drill, whatever this is. Things like this. Put them all in your boxes, type it all up, and then when you're done, you just click Save. And very simply, that's just how you create your drills, and in the next video I will show you how to put a session together in your library. I hope you'll join me. Have a great day.